Respected Zonal Head Sir, Regional Head Sirs, my AGM fellow colleagues and dear Centralites. Today we have assembled here to bid farewell our beloved CIA and DGM Shri Santosh Srivastava sir. Really it is a good achievement for a person who is working in a financial organization and he is superannuating after completion of more than 35 years of service without any blame or reputational loss. So please give a big round of applause. Friends, Shri Santosh ji has joined this bank in 1989. I also joined this bank in the same year, and I think our zonal head sir must have also joined in the same year. Since then, we have experienced a lot of structural changes in the banking industry. That time it was M-banking and today also it is M-banking. Superficially, it looks like similar, but both the scenarios are quite different. That time M-banking means manual banking, now it is mobile banking. And particularly in the year 1991, when LPG factor introduced in the banking industry, that time several major changes have taken place. I have acronymed those major changes as 4 C's: computerization, competition, customer centricity and compliance. If you see that computerization, it comprises automation and CBS. Then competition, several new players entered into the banking industry. Customer centricity. Earlier the market was seller market, and since 1991 it has become buyer's market, where the customer is the king. And 4th point, that is compliance, where the capital adequacy, NPA norms, all those things are included. One thing I found it is very crucial to ensure the survival of the executives like Santosh sir in our banking industry, and that factor is change management. I do remember in 2001 when the golden shake hand package was introduced by Government of India. That time several executives, several centralites have opted for this VRS because of 2 reasons. First, they were not in a position to adopt this computerization scenario, and second, they were fearful about the transfer. So Charles Darwin rightly said that it is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent, but one who is most adaptable to the change. I think our Santosh sir will be entering into a new phase of life. Yesterday our zonal head sir rightly said, second innings will be started from 1st of February. So this is also a challenge to manage the change, and he has ability to manage the things. Friends, I have read some of the books regarding how to make our life meaningful, and one of the books is Ikigai. You must have read that book. It is a very famous book. In that book, 5 pillars have been discussed to make our life meaningful and joyful. Let me discuss in brief. I have acronymed those pillars as PRISM. First P, that is pursue your dreams, desires, goals, aspirations, hobbies and interests which were on put due to the work commitment. Second is remain active and pay proper attention on your health and well-being. Health is the real wealth. Third, involve in the noble activities like environmental safety, educational drive, or entrepreneurship promotion. Stay connected, as means stay connected, but remain detached. When everything is accepted and nothing is expected, then life becomes miracle. And fifth number, that is M, monetary management. Because the main source of income will be stopped from tomorrow. In that scenario, if we are properly managing our monetary portfolio, then certainly our life will be very happy. Sir, Santosh sir, I would like to say, your dedication, your commitment, your hard work, your passion, your integrity will always be remembered, which have contributed for the growth and progress of our bank. It is rightly said that the leadership is not about authority. Leadership is actually about the influence and impact. And you have proven that by influencing the people, by motivating, by guiding. As far as my conclusion is concerned, I have drawn 3 key points which are inspiring in nature for all the Centralite members. And that 3 key points are people management skills. What we should learn from Santosh sir, first is people management skill. Second, that is power with prudence. It is not an ordinary quality. It is the sign of great strength of a great person. And third, that is pursue your dream, whatever the adversity is there. Do the best whenever you are working in whatever the position you are holding, no matter. So with this, I wish Shri Santosh sir all the very best for leading a meaningful, healthy, happy and peaceful life. Thank you very much, sir.